This is gonna hit you hard. Listen carefully. It says to gain more knowledge, add something every day. But to gain more wisdom, remove something every day. Let me ask you something. What if life is not asking you to upgrade, update every time? What if it is asking you to reduce? Reduce on the noise, reduce on the pressure, reduce on the constant fixing. What if doing less is how you feel alive again? This video is not about quitting on life. It is not about escaping responsibility. Definitely not about being lazy. Today we will talk about 3 reasons doing less can bring life back, and one simple practical solution that can fix your life today. But first, let's understand why more is silently destroying your life. Number 1, mind needs more space, not stimulation. We think mind needs more new ideas, more motivation, more inspiration. But in fact, mind needs something simpler. That is space. Space from constant input, constant opinion, and constant self-monitoring. Silence is not empty. Silence is rest. Silence is gift. When input reduces, thoughts slows down, breath becomes deeper, life feels closer. You don't need more content. You need less noise. Number 2, letting go without guilt. This is difficult for many good people because we feel that every problem needs fixing, every thought needs action, and every emotion needs explanation. Do you know, सब कुछ सुधरना जरूरी नहीं है. Improving everything is not necessary. Let me spill this secret to you. Some thoughts pass on their own. Some feeling dissolve when it is left alone. Some problems shrink when we stop staring at them. Letting go is not neglect, it is trust. Number 3, simplicity is the inner wealth. Look closely at your life and stress. Many of them come from too many wants, too many comparison, and too many inner conversation. Simplicity is about contentment, minimal lifestyle. It is not about having more. It is about having your needs, not all the ones. It is about a quiet inner life. It is about fewer expectations, fewer arguments. Simplicity gives mind the permission to just be. Let me say something important. Peace is not created by effort. Peace appears when effort reduces. Life does not need constant management. Life needs presence. Now try this simple practical solution today. Pick one small thing, not to optimize. Not try to fix it, not try to improve it, or not try to judge it. Let it be just the way as it is. This is not laziness. This is inner rest practice. One small subtraction can bring surprising relief. Peace is not an achievement. It is not a reward. It is not something that you earn. Peace is a subtraction. It is reduced noise. It is fixing that is stopped, and it is pressure that is dropped. Peace is already there. It is not tomorrow. It is not after success. It is right now. If this feels honest to you, do subscribe. I will see you in this video. Do good, be happy. Namaste.